Right, so you've probably seen the verb to marshal pop up in business articles or on the news, but what on earth does it mean? Let's break it down together. To marshal means to organize or arrange things, especially people, resources, or information, in a clear and effective way. Imagine you're leading a big project at work. If you marshal your team's skills, you're carefully arranging everyone's strengths to get the best results. For example, the manager marshaled her staff to ensure the event ran smoothly. Now, in the news, you might hear, the government is marshalling resources to respond to the crisis. Here, it means they're gathering and organizing everything needed to tackle a problem. Let's try a quick quiz. Which sentence uses marshal correctly? A. He marshaled his arguments before the debate. B. She marshaled her breakfast quickly. Type your answer in the comments. So, next time you hear someone say they're marshalling their forces, you'll know it's about organizing, not marching in a parade. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to check out more videos on my channel to take your English to the next level. See you soon.